Hello students, welcome to eLessons. I am Kriti, your Python programming teacher. So the next program given to us is program to obtain length and breadth of a rectangle and calculate its area. Now what is the formula for finding the area of the rectangle? This will be the length, this will be the breadth. So the area is length into breadth. Correct? Now, let us start. We need to first obtain the length and the breadth. So we need to obtain in the sense we need to take the input from the console, that is through the input function. Again here we have the input function. So input function, whatever input is taken is in terms of string. So we need to use a function to convert this into integers or floating point numbers. Okay? And then we need to calculate the area. The area is nothing but length into breadth. So let us start with our program. We have, let's write the comment, that is to obtain length and breadth of a rectangle. Correct? So let us first find out the length and breadth of the rectangle. So we have, let's say length, I'll write it as L-E-N-G-H-T. Length is equal to, I'll write float, because if in terms, if we write 27.5, 16.5, 5.5, anything. So float, input, enter the length. Okay. The next, breadth is equal to float, input, enter the breadth. Okay, so now once I get the value of the length, it is assigned to the variable length here. Then the value of breadth will be assigned to the variable breadth here. Next, let me initialize a variable, that is area is equal to length. If I have to multiply, which arithmetic operator it is star, correct? Length into breadth. Okay. Now, I need to calculate its area, means I have to print the area, right? So, I have print area of rectangle is area. Okay. So let me see what happens at the output side. Correct. So once I execute this line, I have, is a comment executed? No, this is for the user's reference. Correct. You can also add a comment over here. Finding area of rectangle. So here I have found out obtained the length and breadth. Here I have found the area of the rectangle. Then let's say length is equal to float. So it will be enter the length. So I'll enter the length as, let's say, 5.5. Okay. The next one, breadth, is enter the breadth. So enter the breadth. So it will be 2. Okay. Why it will be 2.0? Because there is a float function here. Even if I have entered 2, it will convert it into a float value. Correct? The next one, area is equal to length into breadth. So this is internal computation. So length will be multiplied with breadth. So 5.5 will be multiplied with 2.0. Okay. And that will give how much? There's nothing but 11.0. Correct. So when I print the area, it is going to give as area of rectangle is, and I'll obtain the answer as 11.0. So this is what will be there at the output end.